Fast forward to 2025, and the Falcons grabbed him in the 3rd round to bolster a struggling secondary.
Hey man, welcome to Atlanta. We're excited to have you. Excited to have you run a few picks back in the bins, that's for sure.
Yes, sir. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm excited to get to work.
They needed range, ball skills, and someone who could flip momentum on a single play. Watts brings all that, and with that wide receiver background, his tracking ability is elite, and his instincts in zone coverage are next level. He's not the biggest hitter in the class, but in terms of coverage IQ and playmaking, Watts has day 1 sub-package upside.